Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Panasonic TX-50LXW704 TV and I'm going to show you how can you easily enable or disable virtual remote assistant on Android TV. To do this you have to go up where you will see mic icon, keyboard icon, and sources input icon and settings. You have to go into settings. Here you have to scroll down to device preferences and then you have to scroll to keyboard. Here you have to click on manage keyboards and virtual remote keyboard generic. You can either enable this option or disable by clicking on this. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.